Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to do curved text on LibreOffice Writer. So first you have to go to the view and then from there go to the toolbars and then select Fontwork. Once you select the Fontwork, this toolbar will appear. Okay, now click on this F, which is Insert Frame Fontwork Text. So select the one that you like. We'll just go with the simple one and we'll just double click to write example. You know what, we'll just write curve. Okay, so our target is to curve this text. Okay, so here select the text, then here you'll see this Fontwork shape. Click here and then you'll see a couple of options. So let's say like we want to do arc up, see, like it's been curved. If you want to do like other ones, let's select this one, arc down. You have it here. There are a couple of other options you can choose, like let's say like if you have a big text, you can do circle too. But if you want like other curve, you can do that. You can use this to increase the size or decrease the size. So this is how you curve text on LibreOffice Writer. Please subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.